Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and crispy tortilla pizza in the air fryer. It's ready in just 5 minutes. For this recipe you'll need 2 tortillas, any shredded cheese you like, pizza sauce or ketchup, a little oregano, pepperoni or any toppings you prefer. First, place 1 tortilla in the air fryer basket. Now sprinkle a thin layer of shredded cheese directly on top. This layer of cheese helps everything stick together and gives us that nice cheesy base. Next, place another tortilla on top of the cheese layer. Press it down gently so it sticks. Now, spread pizza sauce or ketchup evenly over the top tortilla. Make sure to cover it nicely, but don't use too much or it can get soggy. After that, sprinkle a little oregano over the sauce. This gives it that classic pizza flavor. Now add another layer of shredded cheese on top of the sauce. This is where you can be a little more generous. Then add your pepperoni. I'm using pepperoni today. And finally, I like to sprinkle just a little more oregano on top. Carefully place the tortilla pizza into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 200 degrees and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's perfectly crispy and golden. Slice it up and enjoy your quick and easy tortilla pizza. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe.